Let's begin with point number 1, academic success and wealth. In present conditions, good grades don't guarantee financial success. Relying only on academic achievements is no longer sufficient in this rapidly changing world. Call it tenacity, perseverance, or the X factor. That's the element that shapes your future more than formal education. While basic education is important, formal education alone won't make you rich. According to the author, to accumulate wealth, you need financial as well as communication skills. And before we go any further, it is important to know the difference between an asset and a liability. Contrary to popular belief, the author thinks that a house is a liability, not an asset. According to him, assets are things that generate money, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, deposits, royalties, etc. On the other hand, liabilities are things that take away your money, such as loans, mortgages, and that damn iPhone on EMI. Now that you understand the difference between assets and liabilities, let's look at what you should and shouldn't do at the beginning of your career or business. When starting a career, prioritize learning over immediate monetary gain. If you own a business or are thinking of starting one, you should learn about every department of your business. Become a competent leader or you might risk losing everything. If business is not your cup of tea, which is fine by the way, then aim to become the best employee. And how do you become one, you may ask? Well, the best employee can adapt, move between departments, and master all aspects of the business. Focus on skills first and then look for monetary gain. On the other hand, keep building your assets for a secured future. So far so good? Now let's look at some important financial tips. If you want to escape the middle class trap, remember this. The wealthy buy assets, the poor have expenses, and the middle class accumulates liabilities, mistaking them for assets. In simple words, keep expenses low, minimize liabilities, and focus on building your assets. And do yourself a favor, stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. Refrain from buying luxurious items on credit, as in most cases, it becomes a financial burden. And when it comes to financial affairs, consider paying professionals for their valuable advice and services. It is often more economical than the government alternatives. Enough with the tips. Now it's time to unlock the financial intelligence. Financial intelligence comes from accounting, investing, market understanding, and knowing the law, which means you should be able to read and understand financial statements. Don't hesitate to explore new ways to accumulate wealth, but remember to do so within legal boundaries. Push your creative intelligence to its limits to make more money from money. Always seek opportunities and don't wait for the right time to do so, because the right time may never come. Now let's move on to the final point. Point number 6, investment insights. Most people either worship or curse money. Don't make that mistake. Make investments through practical and informed decisions only. Consider buying shares when the market is down and selling when it is up. Avoid doing the opposite. If an investment seems too complex for you, then don't do it. That's it. Remember, wealth building is a step-by-step process, and each step counts. So, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching or listening, and I'll catch you in the next one.